If you want to bridge tokens from Ethereum to Starknet or the other way around, this video is for you. Bridging on Starknet can seem complex, right? Starknet uses a different address structure than Ethereum and its other rollups, so you basically can't use the same address you've been using up to now. But it's actually very simple. The official Starknet bridge, Stargate, makes it easy to cross between Starknet and Ethereum, and its latest upgrade will support a lot of Ethereum wallets. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know. So bridging allows you to seamlessly transfer your assets between different chains, which means you can explore opportunities on blockchains that just went live. The bridging process is usually fairly straightforward. Your tokens are locked on one side of the bridge, and the new tokens are minted on the other side. The system is known as lock and mint for that reason. With Starknet, it's slightly more complicated. Firstly, Starknet is written in Cairo, while Ethereum is written in Solidity, which means Starknet addresses are longer. Secondly, Starknet is based on the concept of account abstraction, which splits wallets into two parts: the surface level app and a smart contract underneath. The smart contract is a massive step forward because it allows you to add multi-factor authentication and loads of other benefits for your UX and security. But it also means you can't use wallets like MetaMask, which don't have a smart contract on Starknet. So when you bridge between Ethereum and Starknet, you'll need a Starknet wallet. If you don't have one yet, you can download Braavos, the safest wallet on Starknet. But from here on in, it's really easy. So let's go into a step-by-step tutorial. First, you can find the Stargate bridge here. If you prefer to use the bridge in testnet, in other words, use simulation tokens so you can get to grips with the bridge before you cross for real, visit the Goerli version. Now log into both your Braavos wallet and the wallet used on Ethereum. I'm going to use MetaMask for this demo. If you're using the mainnet bridge rather than the testnet version, make sure the network of your layer 1 wallet is set to Ethereum and your Braavos wallet is set to Starknet mainnet. When you're logged in to your wallets, go back to Stargate. And when you're ready, connect both your Ethereum and Starknet wallets. You can do this in either order, it doesn't matter, but we're going to start with our Ethereum, meaning MetaMask wallet. Then you'll be prompted to connect your Starknet wallet. Again, it's a very simple process. And of course, we're going to be using Braavos. Now enter the amount of tokens you wish to bridge and whether you want to deposit or withdraw from Ethereum or Starknet. I'm going to go with Ethereum for this specific demo. Once you've clicked transfer, your L1 wallet will ask you to confirm the transaction. Be sure to check the gas fee before you give your consent and you're done. Simple, right? But I know what you're asking. How safe is this bridge? We've all heard about bridges getting hacked, right? What sort of protection does Starknet offer? Well, Starknet and other ZK rollups inherit the security of the layer 1 Ethereum blockchain. And here's the really cool thing. The bridge operations, in this case Stargate, are verified by the verifier contract on Ethereum L1. Other bridges rely on human validators. These validators are required to stake money in a form of game theory. If you've got skin in the game, you won't commit foul play, or so the thinking goes. But humans are still humans, right? So there's always the chance of someone doing bad stuff. However, Starknet's bridge uses math, not validators, and math, as we know, can't rogue or start acting against you. There is one thing you've got to remember though. When you transfer funds from Ethereum to Starknet, it all happens in a single transaction. However, if you want to take the bridge from Starknet back to Ethereum, you need two separate transactions. Users often forget the second step as it is relevant only once your funds are actually moved to L1, sometimes hours after you initiated your transaction. First, you initiate the withdrawal on layer 2 with your Starknet wallet. Then you need to wait till the block containing the transaction has been proved and verified by the Starknet verifier smart contract on Ethereum L1. This can take roughly a few hours. Then you will need to connect again with your Ethereum wallet to Stargate and issue a withdraw transaction, withdrawing the funds from the Ethereum side of the bridge. Until you do this, the funds will remain in the L1 side of the bridge and won't go through to your L1 wallet. Space Shard has been working together with Stargate to simplify this process and offer a service, aka Keeper, that carries out the withdrawal for you in exchange for a small fee. You can take advantage of this feature by checking the Use the Automatic Withdrawal Service by Space Shard box. Another quick thing before we go. A lot of people ask us if the Starknet Bridge transaction counts towards their Starknet Pro score, which tracks their progress on Starknet. Well, if you take their bridge from Ethereum to Starknet, it doesn't count because the transaction was initiated from your MetaMask or other Ethereum wallet. But if you go the other way around, from Starknet to Ethereum, it counts. The Pro score tracks all the transactions you make from Braavos wallet, and the transfer from the Starknet side falls into this category. If you're new to Starknet and don't yet have a wallet, download Braavos now by clicking on the link in the description below and on the pinned comment. Well, that's it for today. I hope you now understand everything about bridging tokens in and out of Starknet. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, take care.